Hey everybody, this is a quick informational video. I got a key fob here from a 2014 to 2016 Hyundai Sonata, and I'm going to show you how to change out the battery. So if your key fob battery went dead. This may also be the same step for a couple other Hyundai key fobs, so just FYI if it looks just like this. So right here, this is the battery cover, and you can try pulling it away, prying it away with your fingers like this, and it's kind of hard to do that if you've never opened it up before. So one thing you can try is using something like this. Now this is actually a plastic, this is for trim removal, but you can actually try just putting it right here and then turning it to give it that little bit of force, like so. So you can try it like that, or just try pulling away like this and to remove the cover. Now I usually use a small little flathead right here just to move this up a bit, the battery, and the battery will just pop out. So to put the battery back in, it's a CR2032, and you're gonna just put it in like this, slide it in, and put the cover back on, snap it into place, and that's it. So hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my other helpful videos.